Alright, welcome to Class C RV on a Budget. This is a quick tip on installing a shower door in your RV. We installed a Stoett Nautilus self-cleaning shower door, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see how the door works. So there's how it looks when it's closed. And there's a wiper on it that cleans it when it or scrapes the water off as you open it. To open it, you just push in here and it pulls itself back open. It's a pretty nice unit. There was a couple problems though that we found. First of all, we had to buy one that was available. You can have them custom made to various sizes, but as you can see, our shower went to here and this unit came up a little bit higher here. So we had to improvise and use a little bit of trim to kind of block it off. But installation is very easy. There's double-sided tape on this trim piece here and on the main unit here that you just peel off the backing. Once you get everything leveled where you want it, you stick it into place. As far as these tracks go, you can see on the inside there's actually a track that it rides in on the top and bottom. The bottom's the same way. They're cut to length. You use a metal hacksaw after you measure and cut them. To secure them, there was just this little plastic clip that holds the track in place. And we found that after the first time trying to open and close it, it would pop this right off. I mean, it's literally just a little piece of plastic. That's the one bad thing I would say about it. So what we did to address this shortcoming was drill a small hole and used a stainless steel screw so it won't rust to screw the trim piece to the track. And we did that on the top and the bottom. And that really makes it a very secure, solid unit. Then you have to silicone all the way around the inside perimeter. As you can see, hop in the shower, close the door. It's real simple, it only weighs 6 pounds. It's perfect for an RV. To open it, just pull on it, and it slides right back into place on its own. Alright, so again, that is the Stoett Nautilus, and I found this one on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. And it's also available on eBay and elsewhere for a pretty reasonable price.